Sushagatam
means welcome. We are from Bangladesh. We are the only nations fought for the language. So we started with Bangla, and Bangla is now we are having 21st February is the International Mother Language Day. So we had to fight for them for the language. So I'm from the country Bangladesh, and we are having with me my two students, Aline and Shamoon. It was our opportunity to be here with the visa problem and a lot of problems, but until we are here, we had a dream. So I am Afroz Al Mamun. Have been teaching for last 12 years. We had a dream, and I'm working in a Himalayan global school. It's actually dedicated to the students, 4 students with international facilities. We have a policy, 40% for the 4 students with meritorious students, for education for all. And I'm from the country of representing Dr. Muhammad Yunus. You know probably the microcredit system, and that is called the social business. We have been running this program into 175 countries, and Dr. Yunus' friend is that former president of US, Bill Gates. They studied together, and he won the Nobel Prize. So for the young generations or also the teachers, you are most welcome in Bangladesh to visit Yunus Center for the future social business and also the youth leadership programs we have. In my schools, we are the only schools in South Asia having leadership programs. So very soon we will be opening our international exchange program with learning everything. And I'm going to show a presentation for beautiful Bangladesh. Before that, we should respect our father of the nations who fought for Bangladesh with a lot of dreams. So we always go for a one common, in Bangladesh we have a common dialogue, dream big, shopno boro dekho. It means dream big. So that is our representing. And also in Bangladesh we are the largest producer for sports t-shirt. Even in 2014 World Cup, 70% of t-shirt from Bangladesh. So we are made in Bangladesh. And here, that is our traditional dresses with, it's called fotua, one kind of t-shirts, mixer with the shirts. And we're the land of farmers. So farmers wearing different, and the young generations actually prefer that. And we have the largest sea beach in the world. And also, we have the highest density people in the world. And we are famous for, especially for the scientists. I think here is the astronauts. They know we are from the country of Mr. S.N. Bose. And also, we are representing the world, one day top in the world cricketer, Saqib Al Hasan. And we are representing the farmers who produces, right, with a small land, they produce the largest food for any countries. So here we go with the beautiful Bangladesh.
যত দেখি প্রাণ ভরে না হৃদয়ের মাঝে রাখি তারে
Happiness needs no reason. This is what you will feel when you come here. Things that you will do, people that you will meet, will keep on surprising you. sun. Be with the mystic wind.
যতই দেখি প্রাণ ভরে না, তাই হৃদয় মাঝারে রাখি তারে। ও যতই দেখি প্রাণ ভরে না, তাই হৃদয় মাঝারে রাখি তারে।
Your mind is a traveler. Now let your heart be the tourist guide. Explore the land of surprises. You'll find warmth you've been looking for all your life. Here, everyone has a story to tell.
যত দেখি প্রাণ ভরে না।
So, when you leave with stories that you can treasure, friends that will last a lifetime.
যতই দেখি প্রাণ ভরে না, তাই হৃদয় মাঝারে রাখি তারে। ও যতই দেখি প্রাণ ভরে না, তাই হৃদয় মাঝারে রাখি তারে।
Welcome to beautiful Bangladesh, a land of stories.
So, I hope that you have liked it, and on behalf of our education group, I welcome you in Bangladesh, especially the teachers, because I'm still a teacher and working for a social business for education, different programs. So all the teachers from the different states and the nationals, we welcome you in Bangladesh. Be our guest from our side, and hopefully you inspire. And also the astronauts, please visit Bangladesh to inspire our future leaders so that we can lead the nations. Dhanyabad. That means thank you.